Hey guys, so today we're going to do a reconstruction of Xuanyi Geng's 3x3 world record single. So basically he did inspection. He got the scramble, so he did inspection and he did X2. Well, he did X2 this. He looked all around the cube, and then when he started the timer, he did L2 FL U prime R, and then he did U R prime U2 to insert the first pair, and then he did that to insert the second pair. He did that, then he finished it off with ZB. Let's just ignore that. Okay, you know what I mean. Hey guys, so today we're going to do a reconstruction of Xuanyi Geng's 3x3 world record single. So, first he has a scramble. And then, so first he does inspection. So, he looks around, he does X2, and then to start the solve off, he does L2 to create the first cross edge, and then he does F to create this edge, and then he does L to create this edge, and then he does U prime for this F2L pair, which will help him later, and then he does R to create the cross. And then that setup that I mentioned earlier is he uses it by doing U R prime, and then you see he has two free pairs already. So then he does U2 to insert this pair. Then he does U L U prime L prime to insert that pair, and then he notices this pair right here, and he does L prime U prime L to insert that pair, and then he notices these pairs right here, so then he does R U2 R prime U prime R U R prime, and then he sees this case, which he notices is a ZBLL, so he does this algorithm. And I did it wrong. Wait just a second. Okay, so he actually does like that. Okay, so I'll do it one more time with the timer. But first I have to do the scramble. So now I'll attempt to do this solve again. I practiced it a little bit before this, but I'm not sure I'll get anything good. And also, I don't have TPS as fast as Xuanyi. Basically, okay, so you see I only got 19 because I'm really bad at this. But something to note is that the F2L is not that advanced. He just does normal F2L solutions, except for that setup while doing the cross that he noticed. But that actually helped him do the other pairs. And of course the last layer is a ZBLL, but I mean, since he's younger, I think that his brain absorbs the algorithms faster and easier. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry for the lateness of the upload. Thank you for your support, even though this channel just started. If you want to try to help, then you can like this video. It's no expense to you, but it helps me a lot, and I like seeing the likes. And if you want, you could also subscribe to see if you want more videos from me. Though I probably won't be able to make that many videos later this year because I'm gonna have a rough schedule. But and if you want to give me some feedback, you could like this video. I mean comment. Yeah, comment. Okay.